Hi, I'm Ellie from Ellie Japan Beauty. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm gonna share 5 Japanese beauty secrets. So these are 5 products that are not so well known. So I have tested a lot of beauty products in my 15 years living in Japan, and these 5 really stand out to me. So I'm gonna start with number 5. So this one is from MUJI. You can see that I love this because I have almost used the whole bottle, but this is my most recent find. It's a booster serum. So I use this in the morning after washing my face. It's really thick lotion type of booster serum. And the great thing about this one is that it leaves me with a similar type of effect as a face mask. So I use the face mask in the night, and then I use this one in the morning as the first step after washing my face. And it just leaves my skin really soft and hydrated, and everything else I put on top of this, I feel like gets absorbed better when I use this. And then number 4 is from a brand called Matomage. So this one is hair styling stick. And I have seen a lot of the hair styling mascaras, but the great thing about this one is that it has a lot of surface, so you can really do this fast in the morning. And I really believe that this is the secret why all Japanese women seem to have the perfect hair. And then number 3. So this one is a Kumano brush. You can see that it's old. I think I have used this for maybe 6 years now, but it hasn't shed any bristles. So this is an eyebrow brush. It has kind of like a flat tip, and I use it together with my eyebrow palette. So this actually comes with a brush in itself, but I never use this one. If you are interested in getting great makeup brushes, I would suggest the Kumano. They actually do a lot of collaborations now as well. You can even get it in the drugstore now. And then number 2, this is a foundation. It's from a brand called Macchia label, and it's the clear Esthe veil. So this is called Serum foundation. It has 62% serum ingredients. I must have been using this foundation for close to 10 years now. I get a lot of dry patches, and this really doesn't accentuate those dry patches. It doesn't have a high coverage, but if you are looking for something natural that really doesn't feel like makeup, it feels like a serum on your skin, I would recommend this brand. And this actually says that it's made in Japan. I just mixed these 2 shades. This one is called beige. So here's the beige. And then this one is light beige. So in the winter, I mix half and half. And then in the summer, I mostly just use the beige and maybe add in a dot of the light beige. And then number 1 is a serum by Takami. So I feel like this serum has transformed my skin the most. I had really the driest skin when I came to Japan, really big pores and like flakiness, and nothing looked good on top of that. So this is a vitamin C serum. I actually got first compliments on my skin after using this, and I feel like the results came in really fast. So my pores looked a little bit smaller, and my makeup went on a lot better after I started using this. And also the overall skin tone evened out a lot after starting to use this. So I have been using this on and off for about, I think, 6 years now. But I can really feel the change when I'm not using this, and it's not good. They did increase the price a little bit a couple of years ago, but I still get it during the point back events at Cosme. Usually use about maybe half a dropper at a time. So this blends right into the skin. And the great thing about this one is that it doesn't sting like some vitamin C products. So this is great for sensitive skin as well. What I like doing in the morning is to first use my MUJI serum booster, wait for it to dry, and then top it up with the vitamin C from Takami. Takami's skin peel gets mentioned a lot, but the vitamin C serum I feel like is not mentioned enough. This combination, so number 5 and number 1, has been life-changing on my skin. So that concludes today's video. Please leave a like and subscribe if you would like to see more of these videos in the future. Thank you for watching and I will see you next time.